LDD, my friends. Oh, yeah. Fat Smoker's new brother. He's got a lot of growing into those ears. This dog is just amazing. He's so beautiful. He's going to be even more beautiful when he's older, but his little cub life is beautiful. He is gorgeous, man. When he trots, such a champion. He's a police, a long line of police champions, what I was told. Police dogs. I don't know about champions, but I guess if he's long line, he must be a champ. Yeah, I imagine that would be a champion, a long line of police dogs. He's got the lines and he's got the look of my old dog. Can't stress it enough. Happy Halloween, Americans. I don't know what's coming next, but every day is Halloween. Halloween over this way. My ass is hanging out.